65. She's racing. Got that wide belt on that bad boy, Chevy engine. Got some bullets on there. Clean that. So now, clean on screw. Sounds good too, guys. Here's somebody call my name, but I don't see him. Seen this old Lincoln a long time. Yep, old school Lincoln here, guys. This is weird here. Really weird. Check out the old school, guys. You're leaving the parking lot. Looking good, too. Drop top. Nice. Oh, there go Avenue right there, walking around. That loud Corvette. Very special loud. Downers Grove police officer, everything up in here. Old school Corvette sound good. Slick wheels on them, big wheels at that. Yeah, he's ready. He ready to race in that, man. That's me. Got some big pipes on the back too, man. Sounding tough. I'd be afraid to get in the car with him. Got carbon fiber on the back, on the bottom, top of the hood. Decent. Yes, sir, it's decent. Overall, I don't know what's somewhere around here that keeps sneaking on. I don't know which way they went, but I don't care. I'm recording. I'm hustling. God dang beat trying to bite me, guys. Whew. Gotta keep that bee away from me, man. Bee trying to take a bite out of crime. RT. Ooh, look at that paint job, man. You see that detail in that, man? It got the sparkle. The whole car sparkled down. Man. That's a new look there, guys. They got the gold flakes in it. Gold flakes inside the whole body. Decent. Look like he spray painted that himself. Look at some Thunderbirds right quick. That's an old school Corvette right there too. That's decent too. Real nice. Seen no tires like that in years either. I couldn't. What's that y'all looking at? A Buick? Thunderbird, huh?
That's Thunder Chicken.
Thunder Chicken. Got the Thunder Chicken engine too. 429. Why couldn't they just didn't do a 430? This old truck here, got GMC here. Big boy pipes in the back. Yeah, you take that for a ride too, wouldn't you? Got that right. Look like it's been added on to.
All right. This year, my Halloween
Engine's brand new.
September this year. We're gonna do
Yep, engine brand new, everything.
As it was cold last year.
Everything is brand new on this bad boy, even the chrome. Alright guys, we're going to get ready to cut this video because they playing music in the background. I want to get close to it, so it just don't seem right, guys. Music everywhere you go. Party, party. Old school with the lights on this one. Cougar. City Cat. Dang. Cobra. Well built. Station wagon. Oh, it don't have an AC in it. Oh. AC is roll down window. Huh?
It's right here.
Oh, it is, huh? I'm looking for the round cone. I don't see it. But that's it, I guess.
It's that one over there.
Oh, okay.
The air goes through there and then it throws your air conditioning.
Run down your window. In the wintertime, you got AC all you want. Yeah, side window too. Alright guys, we're going to turn this off because music is playing. I'm going to go ahead and catch y'all another day, another time. Man, be safe out there. Be careful. And y'all want to meet me at Mr. 75? Also, Jerry, be there. Catch me. Peace, we out.